Yeah, it's so important to get out into nature and to keep touching nature, especially if we live in the city when we are just combusted with so much stress from work, finances, from balancing our lives. We accumulate a certain amount of charge, a certain amount of stress in our system. And when we touch the earth actually gives us free electrons, right? Free electrons to actually disperse that stress. And this is actually our natural state of being, right? Before we had all the cement, all the cities, we were consistently touching the earth, and the earth was consistently ridding us of our stress. This is why you see places like New York, places like Los Angeles, and really huge cities. These places have a lot of mental illness, right? There's this density that happens in compacted cities, and I live in Venice Beach, Los Angeles, and you see people going nuts. Is because we've lost touch with what's natural. We lost touch with what our soul and our bodies are wanting, and what it craves. And literally there are studies showing when you scan a body, you can see the inflammation, an infrared scan, you can see the inflammation in the body. And just 10 to 15 minutes of literally just putting your feet on the earth, literally 10, 15 minutes of you touching a tree can immediately rid you of that stress. It can literally change the way you feel within 10 to 15 minutes. And it's actually kind of sad that we've lost such in touch with this gift to be able to rid our stress with just touching the earth. And I go through phases of forgetting that, and yeah, it makes me sad to kind of see people walking on the beach with their shoes on, people playing on the grass without literally just taking off their shoes, and you're literally getting free energy from the earth. Like, I believe God put this earth here to basically hold our stress, and to transmute our stress. That's the reason why when you go into an ocean, you feel so much more clear, you feel so much more like relaxed when you go into the ocean for a very long time. And the same thing for people that are going for hikes, right? There's a reason why people love walking on the beach barefoot or going on a hike, because it literally reduces stress. So I'm trying to make it a habit, just to every day before I go to bed, just to kind of every day just touch the earth just a little bit, just to kind of disperse that stress, get that grounding energy, just so you can feel less stressed out. Because if your nervous system is stressed out, you're going to feel anxious, you're going to feel dissociated, you're not going to feel as present. And it's in the present moment where we find God. It's in the present moment where we're able to find that joy and happiness. Also, one more thing, our bodies are batteries, right? Our body holds charges, right? This is where our energy comes from electrical impulses. And when we actually touch the earth, we're actually absorbing that electricity. So we're literally charging our battery through the feet, through the seats of our soul, the soles of our feet. And the electricity comes up and it actually charges our system. So when you actually start to touch the earth more, you actually start to feel a lot more energy. And the way that the earth gets this negative charge, this charge to it, this electrical impulse, is the thunder and the lightning that comes down and hits the ground. So the earth is always charging itself through this system. So it's a very interesting thing to think about. So if you're feeling low energy, get outside, touch the earth, and you'll definitely see a difference in your energy.